Good day, Samuel ICanWin here. Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks about property investment. And in today's video, I'm going to reveal 10 secrets to buying property below market value. Yes, you heard it right and you heard it here. You don't have to pay full price for properties, and I'm going to show you exactly how. So let's dive straight in. Secret number one, I want you to look for off-market properties. You see, the first secret to buying property below market value is to look for off-market properties. These are properties that are not listed on the standard internet platforms such as Rightmove and Zoopla, or the MLS, which is a multiple listing service if you're someone who's based in the US, the United States, okay? And when you find these properties, because they're not listed on any other online public database, they are literally what we classify as off-market properties. You can find them through networking and other actual property investors, as well as using direct mail campaigns or simply driving around your target areas looking for distressed properties. Now, if you're based in the US, this is called driving for dollars. And if you're based in the UK, we call this dropping your stance. Secret number two, build relationships with estate agents. The second secret is to build relationships with estate or real estate agents. A good agent can provide you with access to off-market properties, but more importantly, insider knowledge of the local market, as well as negotiation skills that can help you secure an off-market deal. Another way to find properties below market value is to attend local auctions. Auctions are a great way to find distressed properties that can literally be purchased at a lower price. However, it's important that you do your due diligence. Auctions are not what people think they are, and as a result, the research you do on the properties beforehand is going to help you avoid buying a bad or even worse, an ugly property deal. Secret number four, negotiate with sellers. You see, the fourth secret is to negotiate with sellers. Sometimes sellers are willing to sell their property at a lower price if they are motivated enough. You see, you can offer a quick completion, which is also known as a quick closing in the States. And this is where you use a cash payment or other incentives to make your offer more attractive. Secret number five, use creative financing. Another way to buy property at below market value is to use creative financing. This can include seller financing, lease option strategies, or other creative methods that can help you secure a great deal whilst avoiding the traditional lending process. Secret number six, purchase properties in bulk if you're looking to build a portfolio of properties. You see, many people are actually thinking long-term these days and want a whole portfolio anyway. So you can purchase properties in bulk, and this can help you to negotiate a better price as well as save money on completion and other additional costs and expenses. Secret number seven, look for properties with potential for uplift. The seventh secret is to look for properties with potential. These are properties that need some TLC and as a result can be purchased at a lower price and can be fixed up to increase their value. The key is to look for properties with good bones and avoid those with major structural issues. By doing so, you could be onto a winner. Secret number eight, target distressed properties. You see, distressed properties such as repossessions or foreclosures in the US, short leases and probate properties can be purchased at below market value. However, it's very, very important to do your due diligence, because the research that you do on these properties and also these strategies beforehand will help you avoid any legal and financial issues. Secret number nine, join a property or real estate investment club. You see, joining a property investment club can provide you with access to other investors, but as well as that, educational resources and potential deals. It's a great way to network and also to learn from more experienced investors whilst you are on your property investment journey. Secret number 10, be patient. The final secret is to be patient. You see, finding properties at below market value takes time and effort. So don't rush into deals and always do your due diligence before you make an offer. You see, if you don't do your due diligence, you may fall prey to falling into what I call deal desperation. So there you have it. 10 secrets to buying property below market value. Remember, it's all about being strategic, building relationships, and doing your due diligence. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, leave us a comment below so we know exactly the value you took away from this video. Side by side with that, why don't you consider subscribing to our actual channel so you can get more property investment tips and tricks on your property journey. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on another video. And remember that small keys open big doors. Good day, God bless, see you on the next one.